Let's look at our next example. We are solving this using cross multiplication. Number one, we're just recognizing, is this a proportion? Is this the type of problem where you can apply cross multiplication? So I see that there's an equal sign, and I see that I have two fractions, and I see that I have a missing value. So this is a situation in which you would apply cross multiplication. So I'm recognizing that this is a cross multiplication problem, or a problem where I can apply this method. Number two, I'm going to record my cross products. So I'm going to draw the parentheses. When there's no symbol between the parentheses, that means multiplication. So I'm using parentheses to show that I'm going to be multiplying two numbers together. Then I grab a new color and I show that I'm multiplying diagonally the h and the 0.99, or the 99 hundredths. So I get 0.99h. I bring down the equal sign, and then on the other side, I'll use blue to show that I'm multiplying diagonally the 18.3 times the 2.5. And we're allowed to use a calculator, so I'll type in 18.3 times the 2.5. And we get 45.75. So we've completed step 2. Step 3 says divide both sides by the coefficient. The coefficient is the number being multiplied by the variable, and the coefficient in this example is 0.99. Since 0.99 is being multiplied by h, the inverse operation would be division. So we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient. We're going to divide both sides by 0.99. 0.99 divided by 0.99 gives you 1, so we're left with 1h, which is the same thing as h, is equal to, and then I take the 45.75 and divide it by that decimal 99. So I grab the answer, so I type ANS to grab that previous answer, 45.75, and then I divide it by this 0.99 or 99 hundredths. And we get 46.21212121, and that actually goes on forever, but your calculator rounds it. When you're writing a number that goes on forever, instead of writing 212121, you can just write the 21 and then draw a line over it. And when you draw the line over it, that just means that it goes on forever and the pattern repeats. So it's telling us that really this decimal is 0.21212121, like that. So this is how you record a decimal value that goes on forever. Well, I should be more specific. I mean a decimal value that repeats where the pattern is the same.